Okie doke, gonna start the day off on a Saturday with the old sword. What's up, Frank? Frank said he's gonna try a couple of these 2008 Premiere. Box 17, then box 13. Ask for the old weapon. Alrighty. Here we go. Frank Gore, 2 of 99. He's Donnie Avery, quad jersey rookie. Auto, 275. Pack 10, John David Booty, number to 30. Devin, yeah, there it is. Devin Hester, jersey patch, number to 65. And Cedric Ellis, autograph, number to 65 as well. Saints. David Garrard, auto, number to 35. And Big Ben, triple jersey, number to 65. Okie doke. Sit those there. Ow. I stabbed myself in the finger. Alright. Here we go, Frank. Pack 2. Randy Moss. The redemption's been like scratched, sort of. Or some of the peelings come off. I'm going to cover it. Let me see if I can work this. Well, I don't think you could guess it anyway, but it's Glenn Dorsey, number to 375. Some of the gray part has been pulled off. Let me see. Throw that one by there. There we go. Number to 30, Rashard Mendenhall. And nice triple patch, Brian Westbrook, MJD, and Willie Parker, 75. There's the patches. One, Willie's are just a white one, the other ones are breaks in it. And Ben Moffitt, number to 199. It's a duel. That's a nice one. Number to 1 of 15, Roger Craig, Barry Sanders. Dual autograph. There's the 1 of 15, first one made. And number to 40, Devin Hester, MJD, Marshawn. There you have it, Frank. Thanks a lot, man, and I'll get these right out to you, buddy. See you later.